GIS, Geographic Information System, is a technology that helps capture, store, manipulate, analyze, and present spatial data. GIS can be used in a variety of fields and applications, such as urban planning, environmental management, natural resource management, transportation planning, disaster management, and many others. Here are some ways in which GIS can be useful and beneficial in our lives. Urban planning, GIS can be used to analyze demographic data, land use, and transportation patterns in a city or region to help city planners make informed decisions about infrastructure and development. Emergency management, GIS can be used to manage and respond to natural disasters and emergencies by mapping areas that are at risk and helping emergency services respond quickly and efficiently. Environmental management, GIS can be used to track and manage natural resources such as forests, wetlands, and water bodies, helping to monitor and protect these important resources. Public health, GIS can be used to track the spread of diseases and help public health officials plan and respond to outbreaks. Agriculture, GIS can be used to analyze soil and weather data to help farmers optimize their crop yields and reduce waste. Tourism, GIS can be used to create maps and guides for tourists, highlighting popular destinations and providing information about local attractions and services. Real estate, GIS can be used to analyze property data and help real estate agents and developers make informed decisions about buying, selling, and developing properties. And enhance the quality of life in a variety of ways. For more information, contact 78210 66795.